How are you all doing today? This is a jumbo knotless box braid. On the hair I use is pre-stretch braiding hair in the color gray and black, and I use featureless as the goddess look. If it's something that you like watching, keep on watching. First thing you need to know is you want to make sure that your featureless hair, you add it in the right places, and depending on how you want it, if you want it to be fuller or you want it to be scanty, you do it the way you want. My client says she doesn't want the featureless hair to be too bulky on her hair. On the process of the hair, she said she want more of the goddess look, so I have to add more of the featureless hair. And she said she want more in the front than in the back. So as you guys can see on the video, I'm doing a knotless braid. First of all, you have to do the knotless on starting from the roots. You can add the featureless from the roots, and when you braid, when you're going down on the braid, you add more featureless, but you don't want to put the featureless hair all over the place, so that it's not gonna be like too fluffy. For those of you that may ask whether you dip it in hot water after breading, no, I didn't dip it in hot water. All I did was I used hot water to dip on with my towel and dip it on the hair, and after that I use my mousse to style the featureless hair to define the goddess loose, and at the end I trim out like the ends and make sure they are even. That is everything I did. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upload. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.